What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm very sorry that the video schedule has been a bit here, there and everywhere, but just with me sorting out my apprenticeship and other life stuff, that's kind of come on top. As for stuff in the unit, we've kind of tacked out very quickly. It's a good quick plan. Yes, that's changed places with the Mazda from last video. Although I said it wasn't as bad as it should be and not need welding, turns out when I was putting the new wings, which the old ones are up there, both absolutely rotten. If you haven't watched the last video, do check it out. Yeah, I ended up pin pricking the bottom of the sill at the front corners, just because the metal had thinned out, and it is what it is. Thankfully they're not too bad at the current moment, but later on in the year, well, in 2025, sorry, just because we're being December now and almost coming to the end of 2024, most likely Mazda sills will be coming later. For the current time being, that's failed MOT, mostly on suspension components and blowing from exhaust somewhere, which I know where. It's the front flexi and there's like a tiny pin prick just before the muffler, rear muffler. But yeah, suspension wise, bottom arm and rear coils are absolutely, well, they're destroyed. They've had it. So I thought, since I'm replacing them, why not upgrade them? So off camera I did this bottom arm. I've done them before plenty of times. These drop link bolts are an absolute pain in the butt, just because past me didn't put these washers in, so the nut would just sink down into the bushing, and yeah, it was like you're like half hour trying to get onto the nut, and it's horrid. But yeah, we're going to be replacing front shocks, rear shocks eventually, because where the spring actually mounts to the bottom part of the strap, that's apparently destroyed. So on both sides, I think. So they'll be getting replaced. So I thought, why not just do the whole set, coilovers, and just have a lower daily. So yeah, that's current plan. But yeah, got some MX-5 goodies up there, and once this is done, then I'll start doing onto the race car stuff. The Mazda, my mind's been a bit hit and miss with it. I don't know if I want to go into drifting. I don't know if I want to do like grip track days. Yeah, I'm not too sure on the plan of what to do with it, just because, let's be honest, the MX-5 is good at both, depending on the driver, but I'm not sure. I'm not too sure. I have zero experience in drifting. Would I like to do it on the channel at some point? Definitely. But yeah, that's the current plan. We've got the kit car back here, looking decent. Well, it's a project car. They normally look worse before they get good. But yeah, we were buttoning up on the roof yesterday. Just a little bit, just trying to mock up what needs to go where. Weird kit car stuff, yeah. But yeah, so today's plan, coilovers at least out, then the new ones, which yeah, they're expensive, to be honest. New ones, let's have this out where. New ones right here. Yes, I have splashed out a bit just for a daily, but I didn't pay a lot for it, and it's kind of just earned it. So yeah, these are the way to go, in my opinion. Everyone else uses them, so you know they obviously work pretty well, and for the money, I hope they do.
very, very nice. The rear one there. Wow. Yeah. So these bad boys. have enough. Yeah. See what the side's like. Yeah, I mean they were both the same on when they came, so both got 3 centimetre gap between top and bottom, but yeah, that's alright that. So, right. So that's one job left on the MOT failure sheet done. We've got exhaust left to do, and it should, in theory, be good to go. So, yeah, that'll be all for today's episode. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And until then, we'll see you next time. Peace.